Morning class. Yesterday I dealt with the uh, few paragraphs of this chapter, Alexander the Great. Today I'm going to deal with the another paragraph. So, lot to know, lot to discuss. Let's begin our reading and explanation. Heaps of thick blankets and woolen cloths were brought. In no time they were loaded on horse, and Alexander himself led them. What happened? Heaps of thick blankets and woolen cloths were brought. As you know that the Alexander saw the saints who are naked, okay, who undressed, and he wants to give. He think that they are the fakirs, and he wants to give something to them. So that's why he went back to his tent and asked her generals to give some woolen cloths and woolen blankets immediately. So heaps of thick blankets, many thick blankets and a woolen cloths were brought. In no time they were loaded on horses, and Alexander himself led them. And what happened? Without taking much time, the uh, army officers, the army loaded the blankets and the woolen cloths on horses, and Alexander himself led them, riding back to the jungle. And now Alexander moved toward the jungle. The the caravan stopped where the saints were performing the yoga. What do you understand by the word caravan? Caravan means a group of followers. The followers of Alexander's stopped where the saints were performing the yoga. Where they stopped? Where the saint is performing the yoga. Alexander found the saints were still busy chanting hymns. Okay, so what Alexander found here? Alexander found that the saints who were already who was already seated there were busy now, were busy, still busy on chanting hymns, praising his god. He moved his horse closer, but the saints took no notice. He noticed he wants attention from the those saints, so he moved his horse to closer these saints, near to the saints, but no note but the saints took no notice of the presence of Alexander. But the saints are still busy. Saints are so busy in chantings. Uh, so they did not give any kind of attention to Alexander's presence and his caravan and his followers. In order to get their attention, he wants attention. Alexander wants attention from these saints because he came up with the blankets and with the villain's clothes and all. So he need their attention. In order to get their attention, Alexander patted his horse and cuffed. What do you understand by the word patted? He slapped, he touched his horse quickly. Okay? His horse and cuffed. And ऐसे किया. Okay? And patted means अपने horse को ऐसे से थप किया उसने. Patted his horse and cuffed. Still no one paid any attention. After doing this, again no one paying any kind of attention towards Alexander's presence and Alexander's caravan presence. Okay, Alexander got irritated now. And now, after all this, after patting, after cuffing, after doing everything, after as he did not get any kind of attention from the saints, he got irritated now. He dismounted and proceeded towards the older saints. And what he did, he dismounted. He get up off his horse. He get up of his horse and proceeded and moved toward surmounts, getting towards the oldest scenes. The saint did not notice, and Alexander felt totally ignored. And what happened? Here again, the saint did not notice his presence. He did not give any kind of attention to Alexander, and he felt totally ignored. Alexander felt totally ignored. Then he approached one of the saints and called. Then he moved toward another saint and called and said that, "Fakir, listen, I'm the famous Alexander the Great." He said that, "Listen, hey saints, hey Fakir. Listen, I'm the famous Alexander the Great. Don't you know about me? I'm a famous Alexander the Great." The saint looked up and asked coolly, "What happened here?" The saint now put attention. The saints now looked up and looked up carefully. Uh, uh, yeah, he looked up carefully and very sweetly he looked up and said, "What do you want, young man? What can I do for you?" And the saint said to Alexander, "What do you want, man? What do you need? How can I help you? What can I do for you?" The saint Alexander was taken aback with the question. And what happened? Alexander was astonished, surprised, and he, after getting the question from the saint, he has expected that I'll give the answer. But here, what happened? The saint asked the question, "How can I help you?" He paused. Well, I don't want anything from you. And he said, "Oh, 1 minute. Well, I don't want anything from you. I'm here to give you something. I'm Alexander the Great. I'm the king. I don't want anything from you for geese. I don't need any from you. I want to give you something. I'm here. I have conquered. I have win. I have controlled your Hindustan. Your Hindustan is controlled by me now. I am the king here." Alexander announced very proudly. He said these words very proudly. Proud, a kind of proud is in his heart while he's speaking these words, while he's telling these words to the saints. And here, look, he continued, and still he's continuing saying, "When I saw you people naked in the cool weather, when I saw you, all the saints naked, all the saints undressed, stripped in a cold weather, this cold weather, I brought woolen blankets and a clothes for you, for all of you. What I did, I brought some woolen clothes and blankets for all of you. I think you all are feeling cold. You all are very tense. And I think I have to give something to you because I'm a king now. I have conquered your Hindustan now. Tomorrow I'll deal with the very last paragraph of this chapter and then I'll end up this chapter. Okay? Thank you.